Hi, baby boomers. Carolyn A. Brett here. I've just got to tell you, it's been an amazing year for all of us. We're learning to take care of ourselves from a medical, financial, and legal standpoint. From the Caregiver's Companion, I want to thank you for not only supporting my work, but taking care of yourself. That's what it's all about. So go out and get your copy. You can get it for free. Just go to the library and check out a copy of The Caregiver Companion, caring for a loved one, medically, financially, and legally, while caring for yourself. And if you want your very own copy, Caregiver's Companion, it's at all of the outlets worldwide. Just place your order. Everything you need is right there for you to take full responsibility of taking care of yourself